Hey y'all, today we're cracking an egg. I'm going to show you how to separate an egg. And the key is you want to separate an egg when it's cold. Even if your recipe calls for a separated egg, it calls for a yolk in one position and it calls for the whites to be beaten in another one. You want to go ahead and separate it cold. So all you do is you get your two small bowls, you find your flat surface, clean hands, the biggest thing, clean hands. You just crack the egg and then you open it up and let the white run through your hands, run through your fingers, like so, like so, like so, like so. Now there's that little membrane, that little white membrane. You have to gently pull that off, gently, gently, so you don't bust the yolk, so you don't bust the yolk. Boom, it went in there, egg yolk. That's how you separate an egg. I know you've seen videos where they do it with water bottles and all of that. I think this is the best way to separate an egg. Just remember to start with a cold egg, even if your recipe calls for the egg to be at room temperature, and let them sit out and then get to room temperature. Got to wash these hands. This is Val Taylor. I think you needed to know that, and I want to encourage you to cook. Keep your hands clean.